Hello guys, my name is Rahul. In this video, I am going to talk about for loop in Python. If I ask a person who just know print function to print from 1 to 10, he's going to write 10 lines of code like this. This is very hectic, right? Because to write 10 lines of code, print, it takes a lot of time. Instead of doing like this, I can use 2 lines to do the same function which is done by this code, that is by using for loop. These 2 lines of code does the same work which is done by the 10 lines of code which I have written previously. See, I will show you by executing it. See, it is printing from 1 to 10. You may be getting confused by 1 and 11, right? I'll explain it to you right now. Here, I is a variable which is taking value from this one starting index. 1 will be taken into this variable, and here the code will be executed. For example, here if some other part of the code is also present, then I value will be 1 for this part of the code also. Next, after completing the code, it goes back here. Now I value will be incremented and it will be 2. Now 2 will be used here in this code. Similarly 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but 11 will not be used. It means 11 is not included here. Ending index will not be included. I have shown you right here 1 and 11. It is giving you output from 1 to 10 but not 11. There are many ways you can use for loop. Other way you can use for loop is in this way, where values are incremented by 2. I will be showing you by taking it here. See, if I execute this code and the values are incremented by 2, means the code is executed here, then values incremented by 2. If I do it for 3, values will be incremented by 3. You can also use for loop in list also. List works like an array where you can store integers, floats, and strings also. If I want to access it, I can do like this, L of 1. It prints you 2.0, means here starting index starts from 0 then 1. Okay, how you can use list in for loop? In this way you can use list for loops. What will be the output? See here 1 and 2.0 is printed, means values in this list are taken into this variable and you are getting the output. You can also use in dictionaries, tuples also. I used list. Okay, I will be explaining you factorial program. Here k value is initialized to 1 and I will be 5, right? 5 into 1, 5. K value will be stored by 5. Now I value will be decremented by 1 because minus 1. 5 into 4, 20. Now k is 20, I will be 3. 20 into 3, 60. Similarly, it works like this, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and at last you will get output as 120. Now see here, it works like this. Take care that you should give proper indentation like this in all the cases. If you don't give indentations properly, your for loop will not be executed. Thank you.